Excel disk function. This function returns the discount rate for a security. It is commonly used for treasury bills and other zero-coupon instruments that are quoted on a discount basis. The syntax is DISC with parameters settlement, maturity, price, redemption, and an optional basis. Dates should be entered using the date function for best results. There are 5 arguments: settlement, the settlement date of the security; maturity, the maturity date; price, the security's price per $100 face value; redemption, the redemption value per $100 face value; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security with a settlement date of January 25, 2007, maturing on June 15, 2007. The price is $90 per 100 face value. The redemption value is $100, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The DIS key function returns approximately 25.89%. This is the annualized discount rate for the security, reflecting the difference between the purchase price and redemption value. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when settlement or maturity is not a valid date. A num error occurs when price or redemption is 0 or negative, the basis is out of range, or the settlement date is on or after maturity. Key points to remember. DISC calculates the discount rate as redemption minus price divided by redemption, annualized by the day count basis. It is commonly used for treasury bills. The inverse function is price disc, which returns the price given a discount rate. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.